So we just left Chicken's Memorial Wake viewing thing. I'm gonna bust my ass, so if you see me disappear, that's what's gonna happen. And basically, what? That? Oh, and basically, yeah, niggas is giving up crazy. Running through the fucking train station, but it is what it is, cause that's our nigga, and who the fuck cares? So now I'm gonna let these fools act the fool, and it is what it is. Rest in peace, baby. We miss you.
Rest in peace, chicken! Rest in peace, chicken! Rest in peace, chicken! That's the shot rugby. You already know. Rest in peace, chicken! Say it for the first time, but not the last. I see you when I see you. Oh, wow. She's actually I had chicken on it. No, that's a bird. Rest in peace, chicken! That's the only time you would see me come and see you. That's all I see my crib. Rest in peace, chicken, you heard? I like basketball, too.
That's my wife, so she don't really count.
We miss you and we love you. Mwah. Ball and peace, my nigga. No shit.